on FaceTime on her laptop, so it's a speaker.
Mm.
And I asked her, can you go in your room or put some headphones in? It's loud. She's like, that day I didn't think it was loud. I thought you were saying something to me to spite me. And it's the fucking rule. It's a rule regardless. Even if I was trying to spite you, it's just a fucking rule. It's not my rule. I didn't make it up.
Right.
And it's like, even if a police officer was like messing with you, like I mean, not to say talk about racial profiling in a likely way. Like, okay, say a officer is messing with you because you're black, but they pull you over just for a speeding ticket. Like, I mean, like you was speeding at the end of the day. Like, I mean, as long as they don't do no wild shit. But like, you're still like, if you don't give nobody a reason to say shit to you, they won't say nothing to you.
That's true.
I ain't got nothing to say if you just follow the clock. After 10 o'clock, you need to be quiet. Can I say something to you if he was?
I thought she was cool with you and everything. Could you write that day she did Alfred ice cream or whatever?
Yeah, like, I mean, she was alright, but my thing is, like, at the end of the day, people was not, like me, one thing I just want to have peace where I'm at.
Right.
Like, you having 10 people over in your little ass room.
Damn.
Late at night, it's not going to cut it.
Yeah.
My thing is, like, my thing is the reason why I could go over there and get in her face, all that shit, is because, like, at the end of the day, you can be cool, but if you don't have no real respect, like, if you can't respect my space, you're not respecting me.
Mm-hmm.
Like, she got mad, like, it was in a meeting, gonna be in a meeting, want to start arguing all this shit. I'm like, well, what was that, all that energy when I was in your face? She's like, because that was so disrespectful. That in that moment, I meant to disrespect you. Like, and that's the only way to be honest about it. Like, my thing is, yeah, like, it's cool that you like, because for real, the thing that made her mad is, like, they don't take out the trash. And there was a piece of bacon on the floor for 2 weeks. I don't eat
Damn.
And Brace had offered me bacon that week, and I was like, you know what? And then when Jordan came in, I said, this shit is so dirty. Brace said bacon on the floor for 2 weeks, and she's like, and when she heard that, she got upset. And she's like, I didn't see it. Mind you, I've seen it every single time I'm going to the fucking refrigerator. Me, I leave stuff there to see how long people will. I'm that type of person. I just want to see how long people will allow certain things to happen. I don't know if I told you, like, they didn't have soap in the bathroom. I didn't put my soap in the bathroom just to see how long they would do something about it. Y'all wasn't washing your hands. Like, it's just interesting to see how people do things. And she's like, I never seen that. You should have said something to me. And in the meeting, they're like, yeah, you should have said something. When I said something to her about other rules, she took it personal. So why the fuck would I say something there? Like, it's like people don't know what they want.
No, that's true. That's so true.
Like, it was so much like hypocrisy. Like, oh, I want you to say something to me when you see my stuff on the floor. Like, who mother am I? Like, that's really like, oh, my mom needs to check my chores before I go out. Like, shit like that I just wasn't understanding. I'm like, if all of us, like, y'all want to start by saying everybody's grown, blah, 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 like, so I grown. Like, if somebody has to tell you to clean up after yourself, like I said, y'all don't have personal standards of cleanliness. You don't know how I do. Like, and that's why, because, like, she gonna say in the group chat, like, you talking like you're the cleanest person in the room. Like, I am the cleanest person in the room. That's first of all. But even if I wasn't, you're the dirtiest one.
Dang.
Like me, I'm gonna be honest. And then, like, even, I don't know if you remember, I had papers up in the wall, like, oh, remember to wipe this stuff out this sink, wipe this stuff out.
You did.
She ripped them, and it was after the argument, she ripped them off, like, off some passive aggressive.
Here we go. You didn't jump or flinch. Most people do. You were ready. Yeah, because like Leslie, she always jumps. Lauren don't jump neither. But Leslie, she's a little scaredy cat.
Most bullies are.
She ain't no bully.
It's funny. You be trying it.
He's trying it. I can imagine.
Yeah, I didn't do it random. I didn't want to do it.
Oh, I understand. Yeah, you. Like I said,
y'all think y'all intimidating me?
Yeah.
I'm raising 3 girls. I tell you, my oldest daughter is 23.
No, you did right. Yeah. You did good.
I ain't doing nothing.
Because I heard, because you was going off, and I was like, yes. But you went off in the right way. It wasn't crazy or nothing. It wasn't like, oh, fuck that.
I didn't do that at all.
Nope. Because that's what I was waiting for. I was like, oh, no, I hope she don't say, because the mom was in here. I was like, oh, man. Because, no, there's a time, you could have said it, but I know the mom would have heard that.
Right.
So, I'm like, dang, you would have been wrong, but I think she would have went back and said, and you can tell the mom didn't say nothing. The mom was cool. I like the mom.
She always hugs you when she sees you. Like, hi, Tanisha, how are you? Good, how are you?
Because you're probably the daughter she's always
And I ain't had ever been with a little holy self.
Right. So see, she probably wants like a daughter who takes charge like you. Because she was like, yeah, she's right. I'm like, damn. Oh, you gonna be agreeing. You should talk about your daughter.
I told Leslie Ann she should have had nothing in her name but Facebook. She was like, what? You shouldn't have nothing in your name but Facebook or Instagram. That's it. Oh, you don't know what you doing. She was like, what?
But why is it so discombobulated pretty much?
And unnecessarily. We didn't need those locks. These locks would connect to your phone and she just spends frivolously unnecessarily.